So if you're in the market for a new home but have experienced a bankruptcy in the past, you may be wondering if it's still possible for you to buy a home. So first, it's important to know that different loan types have different guidelines for how they handle a bankruptcy. For example, FHA, USDA, VA, and conventional loans may all have different requirements for how long you must wait before you can qualify for a mortgage after a bankruptcy is filed. So in general, you need to wait for a certain period of time after your discharge date before you can apply for a mortgage. So another important thing to consider is the type of bankruptcy you file. Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies are handled differently by lenders, so it's important to know which type you filed and what the requirements are for each of those loan types after a bankruptcy. Once you know the requirements for your specific situation, the next step is to start rebuilding your credit. This means by making on-time payments on any outstanding debts, paying down credit card balances, and avoid taking on any new debt. By improving your credit score, you will be in a much better position to qualify for a mortgage after a bankruptcy. It's also a good idea to work with a reputable real estate agent who can help you navigate the home buying process and find a home that fits your budget and your needs. Your agent can also help you understand the requirements for getting a mortgage after a bankruptcy and assist you in finding a lender who is willing to work with you. Overall, buying a home after a bankruptcy is possible, but it may take some time and effort to qualify for a mortgage. By understanding your requirements, rebuilding your credit, and working with a trusted real estate agent, you can make your dream of home ownership a reality even after a bankruptcy.